In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable audio tracks in DaVinci Resolve. If you're working in your timeline and suddenly can't hear part of your project, there's a good chance that one of your audio tracks has been muted by accident. The good news is that fixing this in DaVinci Resolve is very simple, and it only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. To begin, go to your timeline. This is the main area where all of your clips are arranged, including both your video and your audio tracks. Take a moment to look at the track headers on the left side of the timeline, where each track has its own controls. This is where you can quickly manage whether a track is active or muted. Next, find the audio track that you want to enable. If you have multiple audio tracks in your project, make sure you select the correct one by checking where your clips are placed. It helps to zoom in slightly or expand the track height if your timeline feels crowded, since that can make the controls easier to see. Once you've located the correct track, look for the M icon in the track controls. The M stands for mute. If that icon is red, it means the track is currently disabled, so any audio on that track will not play back during preview or editing. This is one of the most common reasons audio seems to disappear in a project, especially after making quick edits or toggling controls without noticing. To enable the track again, simply click the red M icon. As soon as you click it, the mute state will be turned off and the track will be enabled again. That means the audio on that track should now play normally in your timeline. After doing this, it's a good idea to play back your project for a few seconds to confirm that the sound has returned. If you still don't hear anything, double-check that you enabled the correct audio track and that the clip itself actually contains audio. But in many cases, the mute button is the issue, and this quick fix solves it immediately. And that's it. That's how to enable audio tracks in DaVinci Resolve. It's a very small control, but knowing where the mute icon is can save you time and help you troubleshoot audio problems much faster while editing. Or